Hello everyone, welcome back to Mad Father. We're in this creepy room. A dirty pot. A dirty pot. Give me a guess. A dirty pot. Oh no. A gem. And a hole in the floor. Okay, what else? A big barrel. Oh, that piece of a ladder! I got the ladder. Big barrel. Big barrel. I'm not really surprised. Okay. So not a lot going on here. But I got the ladder piece, which means I can go back. Here. Maria's still there. Good. Oh. What is in here? Oh, shit. Did I step? I got a bucket! Strangeness. Oh! Oh. But, okay. A bottle with 2 eyeballs. Why would I need that? Oh dear. Do I lose my eyes? That'd be awful. Oh. Still not open, of course not. Okay, let's go. You can't touch this. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah. I don't know what to do. I know to go over here. And I know to get the bucket. And fill the bucket up. I got water. Really? I can only walk so fast with this. That's funny. She's just so carefully. Put out the fire. Go ahead. Wait, can I go in there? Yeah, let's go in the fireplace. Why not? You hear a girl weeping from the hall. Okay. That's not scary. She doesn't say anything? Like... Okay. I'm gonna go take care of this ladder. I went the wrong way. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. Okay, I go over here. Da, da, da. Where'd that boy go? Did that boy, like, will he ever come back? Alright, let's go up there. Why does that need to be moved? That seems silly. A big barrel. Big barrel. Wait, am I supposed to... Oh, I think I get it. Yes. Let me guess, a gem? A mini chainsaw. Well then. Okay. C or shift. Okay. So if I... You played with the chainsaw? What? Okay. I get the kid plays with, like, has a knife and, like, oh, okay, that's kind of cool, but how did she get a hold of the chainsaw? Better yet, how does she just start swinging it around? She's... Oh, I guess it's mini, so... course, she didn't learn, because now she's gonna play with it again, right? I'm sorry. Where'd you find this? I'm sorry. So I get C to get it out? Is that right? And then... Boom, boom. Nice. So what can I do with this chainsaw? Ooh. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. What? This is not a good thing. This is not a good thing. I am pressing Z. Come on, come on, come on! Oh dear Lord. Okay. That was creepy. That room over there had a lot of barrels in it. How do I get the... How do I... I'm pressing the button for the chainsaw. No, don't touch me. He's still there. Why can't I get the chainsaw out anymore? That's weird. Okay, well I guess I'll just go back to where the lab is, because I really don't know where it is they want me to go. This is the wrong way, isn't it? No, no, no! Let me out! Well, shit. Well, I guess this is a good time as any to end the episode, so... Oh my god. Okay, well, I hope you liked it. Bye.